Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm showing you how to do a bleach bath. So what you'll need is some bleach. I use Quick Blue. Then you're going to need a hair dyeing brush. And then you're also going to need some developer. Today I'm using 40 volume. Now the next step is adding your bleach. So there isn't an exact amount of bleach that you need to add. I feel like it varies on your wig's density. So my wig is a curly wig. So I'm just adding how much bleach I think will be enough. What I'm doing now is adding my 40 volume developer, and you want to add enough developer until your mixture reaches a creamy state. You want to stop adding your developer when your mixture starts looking like this. Next thing you want to do is add water. Now when you're adding water, you need to make sure that it's hot water. This is because the heat from the water will help the bleach activate faster. Now when you're adding your water, you don't want to add a lot because we don't want the bleach mixture to be too diluted. After you've added your water, you want to submerge your wig into the mix and really massage your hair so that way every strand is saturated with the bleach. So now you're going to cover your bowl with aluminum foil. Aluminum foil helps to really trap the heat in so that way it allows the bleach to do its thing. You're just going to let your wig sit for about 45 minutes. After about 25 minutes, I decided to check on my wig, and here's what it's looking like so far. Y'all see that brown liquid? Yeah, that looks pretty gross, but I'm gonna come back in and we'll see the finished product. Alright y'all, so this is the finished product, and as y'all can see, the hair has lightened up just a little bit more. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it to the sink and we're going to wash it out. The shampoo that I'm going to be using today is called Ion Cool Blonde. It does the same things as the Shimmer Lights Purple shampoo does, but it's blue.
know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it gon' be? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it gon' be? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, the girl them, ride the whip. I know, Oluwa God now.
I let the wig sit in the shampoo for about 15 minutes so that way it would help it tone a little bit. Now I'm going in with this Garnier conditioner that I found lying around the house, and I also let that sit for 15 minutes.
It's a Ronnie, just in case you never know, just in case you never know. Love you, girl, do you feel the same? I don't wanna play games, no games.
After I've shampooed and conditioned my wig, this is what she's looking like while wet.
No games. We've been together 6 months now. The most perfect day. You push for us to exchange vows.
As y'all can see, some of that bleach did not take on those knots. But please, if you're going to bleach your wig again after you just submerged it in bleach, please be careful and mindful of how long you leave that bleach on the knots, and don't make the mistake that I made. I left it on for too long and now my wig is shedding. Here's what she looks like when she's dry. Now I did want a lighter blonde, but this is the reality of bleaching a black wig. You're not gonna get that platinum blonde that you want. Now what I did to make my wig glueless was I attached an adjustable elastic band on my wig that I also got from Amazon. I'll link it in the description below. But if you're going to do this, do not make the mistake that I made with attaching it on the closure. Instead, attach it off to the side of the closure because it, is a little too much tension and it caused me headaches. Just a rule of thumb, before you install your wig, make sure to cut off those little bulky pieces on the side so that way your wig can lay more flat. I also got these zigzag scissors on Amazon to help me cut my lace and to make it look more natural. So I don't know if y'all can see the little zigzag lines in the lace, but when you do this, instead of cutting straight across, this helps your wig look more natural because the eyes can always detect a straight line versus a zigzag. After all of that, I finally styled the wig, added my baby hairs and everything. So now we're going to get into the install. Hey y'all, so as y'all seen in the previous clip, I finished customizing my wig. So here she is. She looks real good. So the blonde that she turned out, it's actually pretty cute. Like, I wanted something lighter, but obviously we were doing a bleach bath, it's not gonna get as light. So yeah, the product that we're gonna be reviewing is this lace tint mousse that I got from Amazon. So here's what it looks like. That's the name of it, if y'all could see that. So I'm gonna put it in the description below. But what I've been using before I started using, before this, is, my good sis, Ebin lace tint. You can never go wrong with Ebin because it's real good. But anyway, so I added the adjustable elastic band. So we're just gonna try it on. Wait, before we try it on, we're going to put the lace tint on. So I hope this works because the reviews were kind of mixed, honestly. But we're going to see. So I'm just going to put this on. Give it a good little shake. Alright, y'all. I had to get the brush because I was not going to put it on my finger because it's going to stain my finger. So, but we just going to put it on. I'm going to put it like all on the lace because. Alright. So this is what the mousse looks like. And so, just going to put it in. But y'all, if this don't work, I'm going to just spray some Ebon on it because, yeah, it looks a little lighter, but we're going to see. Alright, so I just finished putting the lace mousse on. So here's what it looks like after I tinted it. And, y'all, when you put this stuff on, please be careful because, look, I tinted my blonde wig, but it's okay though. It's not too big and it can wash right out. But I honestly don't know how to feel about this because it looks like it's going to be lighter than me, but we're going to see. So, I'm gonna put this wig cap on. I put the Ebon spray on the cap so it can match my skin tone. Okay. So now we're gonna put this wig on. This is my first glueless wig ever, so I'm actually pretty excited about this. Okay. It's really snug too, like this wig is not going nowhere. Alright. So you just go. Okay. So she's on. And here's what it's looking like. I don't know. Like, it kind of matches. Okay. I'm going to just put a little bit. I'm going to try to be careful. Because it's blonde. Don't want to stain it anymore. So, the wig looks really good. So, I'm going to leave this wig. I also got it from Amazon. I'm going to link it in the description below. Because it's a really good wig. Like, it took the bleach really good. And, yeah. It's soft. Nice quality. So, now, we're just going to touch up the baby hairs. The mousse that I'm using to style my baby hairs is, what is this called actually? Cream of Nature mousse. I forgot for a moment. I just got it at my local beauty supply. Alright, y'all, so the lace tint, it's actually not too bad. Now, I know y'all see that this lace is not giving what it's supposed to give. I don't know what I thought, but no, you can very much see the lace. It looks lighter than me. The lace tint mousse is really not all that. I can see why the reviews was the way that they was. I just wanted to give it a try, you know. I just wanted to see what it was about. But I still recommend Ebon Lace Tint more than this mousse. It lasts longer for one, and it makes your lace look very natural. This lace tint mousse does not last long, and really when I took the wig off, it was like I didn't even put it on for real. But yeah, it matches pretty well with my skin complexion. So yeah, I like it. Not too bad. So y'all, that's all I have for y'all today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below what y'all want to see next. If y'all want to see a video on how I fully customize a wig, let me know and I got y'all. But thanks for tuning in, and yeah, bye.